welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to make a just quick video. I hope that you like video just from the shopping in IKEA. I went to Gdańsk to just have a look what it is new in IKEA. I just love this shop and I've been looking for some pictures, some flowers and things like that. So just quickly I will show you what I bought, and this is it. So this is what I've got in this corner. This is like shelves, and my idea was about shelves full of flowers. But what happened last time with my old flowers, actually, it happens that I had inside so many books, and this flower, it is okay. It's nothing, actually, it's plant. It is okay with everything with it. So it's nice and big, and I've got just new beautiful leaf over there. So one is yellow and I have to remove it. Then other plants I had to just throw away because, like I said, I've got so many books, so they are not real. This is just plastic, but this is kind of just decoration, nothing else. So also with in IKEA, I've been looking for so many pictures that I can put on my walls. This is my old collection of my perfumes. If you would like to know what is my favorite perfume, please let me know in the comments. So I will just show you a little collection, because I've got also the Saint Laurent and Dior and Carolina Herrera, Versace, and this is actually really my one of favorite. The Scandal is really good, and I love really this. Oh, this camera is like, yes, finally, no, it doesn't matter. Here is my little collection of my heels. The camera with iPhone after update is just horrible. Yeah, much better. So you can see all details. I've got Louboutin here and some black boots, and also well, all heels I really love. But this is not about the heels and perfumes, this is about the IKEA. So I really think that this looking good and it is okay. This pot I've got from the H&M, and it's really nice and big. And what I would like to do is just make a gold all around, just here on the top. Just I need a gold pint, and I need to update it a little. So this is quite funny, but it is okay. So I didn't also tell you today about the outfit I'm wearing. This is today, it is a next day after shopping in IKEA, because I come back really late. It was about 11 p.m. or 12, so I didn't film anything after. I'm wearing just a jumper. This is not a white jumper, it is more cream, and just leather skirt that it is short, I know, but it's long enough to cover everything. Just the ties, and of course the metal heel Cassaday boots. They are just a little bit lower. This is not the super high heel. They are just really comfy to walk for every day. Really nice boots and great quality, like always with the Cassadays. So this is it in my video. I have to say that the Tom Ford boots are really comfy to walk. It is okay, but like 4 hours of walking over the shops, the whole IKEA, I just feel a little pain after. So they are really okay, but just for a few hours, just maybe 1 or 2 hours of walking, not just like almost half day on heels, because they're really high, and this is not boots that are soft, they are very strong leather, so it wasn't very easy to walk. It's just you have to be careful when you're walking in them. So yeah, this is it. Let me know if you like IKEA too, and my new plants, they are safe now and nothing happens. So this is it actually. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and see you soon, probably in the next video. Bye!